Mya Go and Sammy are off to the swimming pool. Oh, everyone's very excited for the first swim of the summer.
Splash, splash! Let's go!
Whoops! Hey, wait for me!
Even Dada Go.
Come on, Sammy. Let's get in the... Oh, where's the water? Splash!
It's Auntie Help, the pool lifeguard.
I'm just filling the pool. It'll be ready in no time.
Oh, that's a big pool to fill.
Well, it may take some time.
Here's Tommy Stop and Sophie Play. They were looking forward to a swim too.
We're ready to swim.
Stop!
There's not enough water in the pool yet.
Shouldn't be long now.
What do we do now? Wait, I suppose. Aww.
Aha!
Dada Go is taking a little break. Oh, you've dropped the ball, Dada Go. Here comes trouble.
Doggy, go!
No running, no diving, no dogs.
There goes that ball again. And there goes Doggy Go.
Doggy, go! You're breaking all the rules. Oh, no! Doggy, go! Don't pull the...
Slug!
Oh, no!
Poor Doggy Go has got himself stuck in the pool.
It's okay, Doggy, go. We'll get you out of there.
Auntie Help will know just what to do.
I'm coming to help. Come on, Doggy. Let's get you out of here. It's too high. I can't reach.
Now the pool is empty. The ladder's too short.
If only we knew someone who had a long ladder.
But we do, Dada.
Who would have a ladder long enough in every day?
Mama, help.
Of course, Mama help. I'll give her a call.
Fire! Everyday fire station. How can I help?
Auntie Help here. We need a fire engine. Can you help?
I'm on my way.
No time to wait when there's a fire. Mama Help has finally arrived.
That was quick.
Stand back, everyone. I'll have the fire out in no time. Oh, where is the fire?
No fire, but Doggy Go and Auntie Help are stuck in the pool. The ladder is too short.
I see. A good thing I brought mine then. Commencing Operation Doggy Rescue. Now let's get you out of here.
Thank you, Mama Help.
Don't mention it. I'm always happy to help. I'll be off then.
Better get this pool filled then, so you can all have your swim.
Yay!
This may take a while.